7. Variation of potential drop with the length. Aim of this activity is to study the variation of potential drop with the length on this potentiometer. Apparatus used in this activity, that means this is potentiometer on which here is A terminal, B terminal, then battery eliminator in which this terminal is positive terminal, this one is negative terminal, then voltmeter, positive and negative terminal, this one is plug key, and here rheostat having the base 2 terminals and variable terminal. Here circuit diagram is as shown in this figure. As with reference to this circuit diagram, here connections are connected such as from A terminal of this potentiometer, means here the first wire from this positive means A terminal of this potentiometer is connected to the battery eliminator positive terminal. From this negative terminal of eliminator, it is connected to the plug key, and from this plug key here this red color wire which is connected to the base terminal of this rheostat, and from this variable terminal here it is connected to the B point of this potentiometer. After this remaining terminal of this from A point of potentiometer is connected to the positive terminal of voltmeter, and from this negative terminal of voltmeter here it is connected to the jockey, on which here on this potentiometer we have to note down this reading. Here basic formula for this activity is that for given a potentiometer, the potential drop after passing the current is directly proportional to the length. That means potential gradient V by L is equal to constant. Now here, first of all, it is important to know this list count of this voltmeter. Means voltmeter reading starting from 0. It is starting from 0 means here it is voltmeter reading on this voltmeter. The marking line, it is started from 0. Again this one is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is number 2 is marked on this apparatus, means 2. After that here is coming 4, 6, 8, 10. Means 0 to 1, 0 to 2, in that 2 centimeter there are 10 divisions. Means this middle line is here coming for 1 volt. Means 1 centimeter is equal to, again it is divided into here 5, this one 1, 2, 3, 5 divisions. This one 5 divisions. Here we have to calculate value for 1 division. Means 1 division is equal to, this 5 goes to multiply to that side, and therefore 0.2 volt is equal to here 1 division. Means list count of this voltmeter is coming 0.2 volt. Means 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. Here is 1 volt, 1.2 volt, 1.4 volt, 1.8 volt, 1.6, 1.8, and finally it is coming 2 volt. As like readings here you have to read on this voltmeter. After connecting this circuit diagram, here when electric current is passed through this circuit, first of all you have to check this current by after plugging this key, means A point terminal and B point, means at once jockey is here touched to the B point, galvanometer shows full scale deflection. Then in this observation table we have to change the length on this potentiometer for different readings, and we have to note down the potential drop in this voltmeter. Now first reading is here coming for 50 centimeter. This one is 50 centimeter. Here for 50 centimeter, this voltmeter shows reading. That means this voltmeter shows reading for these 3 lines, and these 3 lines is coming. That means 0.6 volt. Then second reading is here noted for 100 centimeter. For 100 centimeter it is coming here. After that 1, here is 1 division, that means 1 point here 2 volt. And last reading here we have noted for 200, means here total 0, 1. After that 1 there are 4 small divisions, means it is coming 1.8 volt. Means for different values of length, means 50, 100, 200, corresponding voltage is coming 0.6, 1.2, 1.8. Now in this calculation we have to calculate the ratio V by L. Here for example, first calculation is calculated as like, here first calculation is coming V by L. First reading V is 0.6 and corresponding length is here 50. Here you have to calculate by using log table, means anti-log. Here log of 0.6 minus log of here 50, as it is a ratio. Therefore you have to subtract the corresponding logs, means again anti-log. Here 0.6 characteristic is coming bar 1. You have to select the number 60 in log in 0. Therefore it is coming 7782, 60 in 0, minus this value is 50. Here its characteristic is here 1 point. Log of 50 in 0, it is coming 6990. And again you, after subtracting both these values, here subtraction is coming bar 2, 0792. And finally answer is coming by taking anti-logarithm of 0.07 in 92, and it is coming 1200. Here characteristic bar 2, you have to add one number, bar 2 plus 1, it is coming bar 1. Bar 1 is adjusted here 0 and here 0.012. As it is a ratio of V by L, V is calculated, its unit is volt, and divided by length is coming in centimeter. Therefore its unit is V by L, unit is volt per centimeter. Second calculation, same way here you have to calculate as like V by L is equal to 1.2 divided by here 100. Same steps you have to follow as like previous calculation, means log of here 1.2 minus log of 100, and after subtracting these logs, finally you have to take the anti-log of this subtraction, and final answer is coming 0.01200 volt per centimeter. Number 3 calculation is again same way you have to calculate, means V by L, it is equal to 1.8 divided by here 200. Same as here previous calculation, you have to calculate this, or you have to follow the same steps, log of 1.8 minus log of 200, and finally after all calculating all these one terms, final answer is coming 0.01200, and unit is coming volt per centimeter. Then final answer, final result is calculated here. Addition of these all these one answers divided by 3, means you have to take the mean of V by L, and mean of V by L means potential gradient, it is coming constant, means 0.012 volt per centimeter. Means potential gradient, here potential this one is directly proportional to the length of this potentiometer, and it is constant. and this one here final result we have to calculate. This is the activity number 7 and this is the explanation, that means variation of potential drop with the length, which is coming, potential gradient is coming, it is constant. Whatever may be the answer, it is coming the constant. V by L is equal to constant.